We're doing 1 and 2-step equations. First thing we want to do is draw the line in the middle. So on this side of the equal sign, we have 4x. On this side, we have 8. We would like to isolate this x. How are we going to do that? X is being multiplied by 4. That is all that's happening here. Remember, what you do to the left side, you must also do on the right side. So, the inverse of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide this by 4 in order to eliminate this 4. Since I'm dividing one side by 4, I am also going to divide the other side by 4. So on the left side, 4 divided by 4 cancels out. And that gives me x all by itself. I'm going to bring down the equal sign. Remember, the equal sign always stays here on the line. 8 divided by 4, pull out your calculator if you don't know, is 2. So we're going to write here x equals 2. We could check by seeing 4 times 2. Does 4 times 2 equal 8? If you go pick up your calculator, check it, you see yes. 4 times 2 does equal 8. So we are going to say this is correct. For the next one, this time we have two things going on. I'm going to put a box around the x. Two things are happening here. The first thing that is happening is that x is being multiplied by 4. The second thing that is happening is x is being added to 5. Let me draw the line here. Remember, the equal sign is always going to stay on the line. The right side only has a 13, so I'm not going to worry about this right now. I'm going to worry about this side. We are multiplying by 4 and adding 5. The easiest thing to do right now is this plus 5 is kind of dangling here. I would like to do something here. So I am going to use inverse operations. The inverse of plus is minus. I'm trying to get rid of plus 5, so I'm going to do minus 5. If I do minus 5 on the left, I must do minus 5 on the right. So what do I get here? Well, 5 minus 5 cancels out. 13 minus 5 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So I'm going to get 8 here. So on the right side, I have an 8. I'm going to bring down 4x because I didn't take away 5 from 4x. So now I have 4x equals 8. Don't forget when you have a two-step equation, always bring down the stuff that you didn't touch. Now, same as the last problem we did. I want to get rid of this 4. 4 is being multiplied by x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So just like in the last problem, we are going to divide both sides by 4. Four divided by 4 is going to cancel out. 8 divided by 4 is going to give me 2. So I have here x, once again, equals 2. Let us move on. Now here, once again, I have a one-step equation. X is being multiplied by 3. So I am going to divide by 3. And if I divide the left by 3, I must divide the right by 3. So on the left side, 3 divided by 3 is going to cancel out. Negative 6 divided by 3, use your calculator, gives me negative 2. So I'm going to bring down the x. X equals negative 2. That is all. I'm now done. It was only a one-step equation. For the next side, draw the line. I got two things going on here. I got the minus 2 and I got the 3x. Once again, I'm going to tackle the minus 2 first. What's the opposite of minus? Plus. So to get rid of minus 2, I'm going to plus 2. That means I must plus 2 this side too. Now please use your calculator. It'll make sure that you get this right. Minus 2 plus 2 cancels. Minus 4 plus 2, make sure you get out your calculator and check this, is going to be negative 2. Bring down the 3x. In order to solve this, I need to divide both sides by 3. So I'm going to do divided by 3 here, which means I also got to divide by 3 on the other side. There's two things I could do about this answer. If you do negative 2 divided by 3, you are going to get negative 0.6 repeating. Or you could just leave it as a fraction. Negative 2 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. Feel free to watch any part of this video you didn't get again. Feel free to do it again. Just make sure you copy this down on your slide.